Guys, it's Rob from CMC Crypto, and today in this video we're going to talk about how you can use CoinMarket Cap to find recently added coins that will give you a 50 to 500% daily profit. You're probably all aware right now that the market is pretty much on life support right now. I mean, the whole market, including the stock market's down, but the cool thing is you can still make money, bear or bull. And in this video I'm going to show you how. You just have to stay a little bit more conservative. So if we go to CoinMarket Cap, and I'm going to show you my trick how I find gems. So you go on gainers and losers. So say you go into CoinMarket Cap, you can do this on your phone as well. You go into biggest gainers, and over here on the right you'll see that there's 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. Also it gives you the chance to narrow it down. So you got 1 hour, top 100, 24 hours, top 100, and in this way you can spot trends. So say if one coin is pumping, you know that there's something going on. Massive spike here. So obviously this happened way back in February, but still you can work out some trends. But what I like to do is go to all 1 hour and see what's pumping. So obviously all these things are pumping. You don't have to pick a specific coin, but say you go for this one guard, what you do, you copy the address from BNB and you go into PooCoin to check out the chart. And as you can see here, oh dang, someone bought 166 grand. That's interesting. Some big whale just bought him. Oh, he just doubled his bag. Interesting. So obviously something happened to this coin. Bit of panic. $18 down to $5. So you've got opportunities like that. Obviously some really big buys here. So you can check out the community, the Telegram, Medium, Twitter. Maybe we can find out what's going on here. So they got 2 coins here. Oh, damn interesting. But yeah, so that's one way. So going back, you can go through different coins. So make sure it's all by all and 1 hour. And you just go through the different coins. Can you see there's Wonder Hero? So you start to pick up a trend. So Galaxy coin. Then you start to realize what's actually doing well in the market, despite the market being bad. So that's one trick that you can use to identify some good potential coins. Another way, obviously, you can go to Coingecko, do the same thing here. So go to gainers and losers. I don't know if it's the same kind of, yeah, you can do it, same thing here, 1 hour. So here's the thing, if you can see that this is #1 on both Coingecko and CoinMarket Cap, then you know for sure this is going to do well. But obviously the dip's almost eaten up. But if you got in here, imagine $5, that's an easy 3x in the space of what, 3 hours. Interesting. So yeah, you can go through all the coins here and work out what's kind of working, what's not working. What I like to do as well is find some that have gone down a lot and then work out why they did, and then find your entry. You can, I don't know if you can do it with Coingecko. No, you can't. So what's good about CoinMarket Cap is you can literally go by volume. So obviously this is $80 million volume because something happened to the token. But if you go for like another one, for example, I don't know if you can even check out Fantasy token. That looks a bit weird. It's on a different network. I don't want to touch that. But yeah, you see what I mean. So like volume, go on BSCS star, see what's going on here. Same thing, go to PooCoin, paste it in so you can see that this is done percentage, so this is done over 20% gain, so this is, it could be doing a reversal, you never know. But yeah, this is how you find coins that, I mean, it's gone down, a lot of things are going down right now, so it's a good opportunity to buy in. Actually, it's a very good opportunity because it's recently just launched, not financial advice. 1,700 wallets, not bad. So yeah guys, hope this video was good and you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.